How's it going, everyone? Weston here with GoWesty, and today we're going to go over the Aluminum Coolant Level Sensor for Expansion Tank, part number GW-V-Cool-Sensor. This video shows the kit being installed on one of GoWesty's aluminum coolant tanks. However, this will work on OE coolant tanks as well. We start by unplugging the coolant sensor wire. Next, I like to uninstall the coolant tank for convenience. This is done by removing the two screws found at either side. The OE all-plastic coolant sensors are prone to failure. This often leads to coolant leaking externally or internally, leading to false readings. Next, we install the O-ring onto the adapter. I like to wet the O-ring with some coolant beforehand to help with lubrication. Place the crush washer on the recess of the adapter. Then thread the sensor body in hand tight. Tighten this the remaining quarter turn to half turn using a crescent wrench or a vise, being sure not to over tighten this. Now install the sensor and the adapter into the coolant tank hand tight. Then, using a crescent wrench, tighten this a quarter turn. Looking at this little tab, the wire to the left is going to be your ground wire. The wire to the right will be your hot wire. Cut the plug end off the factory harness and crimp those wires to the new sensor. Use a heat gun to seal these butt connectors. With the sensors and wiring installed, reinstall the coolant tank. And that's it, you're done. Now enjoy a nice confident drive knowing that your coolant sensors are good.